Eyisematheni zithi ke there's a crisis ey'kolweni. Thousands and thousands of abantwana born and bred in South Africa, they don't have schools, they don't have placements. This comes after iy'kolo have been overtaken by a large number, an enormous number of abantwana bama-illegal aliens, illegal foreigners, whom just crossed the border, came to South Africa, and then umthetho uthi bane-right yokufunda, bane-right healthcare, bane-right yokuthola i-placement. Abantwana bethu whom are born here, they are being deprived i-birthright yabo of getting isikolo esiseduze nasekhaya. So now abazali bavuka ekuseni, abanye bavuka ngabo 3, abanye bavuka ngabo 4, bayofola kuma-districts bafuna ama-placements. Abantwana banama-placements. Ama-placements have been taken by abantwana bama-illegal foreigners. They are here, no documentation, but-ke umthetho uthi bane-right yokuthi bafunde, bane-right yokuthola i-placement. Abathatheli mntwana i-placement. This simply means ukuthi wena mangasuka manje uye eZimbabwe nabantwana bakho abayi-4 uthole i-space for abantwana. Abantwana baseZimbabwe born and bred khona bangasitholi. Shuthi-ke lokho ku-right according to umthetho waseMzansi. Guys, ANC iyazizonda. Whoever who's voting for ANC nale national government of unity, whatever lamasimba wabo, you can't hate country yakho nabantwana bakho ngalendlela ukuthi you guys are still going to vote for the ANC. Mamela-ke i-Department of Education ne-Government of National Unity, ugovernment wethu osithandayo sicabangela usibeka first, ubeka abantu bakhe first, abantu abamvotelile first, izukuthi uthini. So lena imithetho coming straight from the Department of Education telling us ukuthi bona abazingeni bona sizozibona thina. Law number 1, the law is clear. Every child in South Africa has the right to education. Every child. It doesn't matter if umama akho nobabakho ama illegal aliens, they come here illegally. It doesn't matter. Every child. Schools may not refuse admission based on nationality or documentation. So you are here in South Africa, it's a free country. Akuna government iniyazenzela vele. So abantwana benu whether amaphepha khona or awekho abeze abethu ukuthi bayithola ipace abazithola, it's fine. Number 2, no child takes another child's place. So foreign learners do not take school places from South African children. Basho kanjalo bona. Shuthi like ipace zabantwana bethu kumele ithathwe abantu bangaphandle bona bathi hayi abathathanga lutho. Number 3, admission is not immigration control. Schools are places of learning, not border control or whatsoever, which is fair. But mismanagement of border management or border control abangeni bona vele bona they are hired ukuthi bafundisa abantwana whether abanamaphepha nationality, it doesn't matter to them. Bese number 4, undocumented learners must be admitted. Lento ukuthi no document, no schools ayisebenzi. Mo South African bazofuna i-ID yakho, bafuna i-ID kababa nomama, bafune i-proof of res, bafuna wonke lama documents, but mo foreigner uthatha umntana wakho umuko omnyama nekhanda elikhulu umuse ayongena esikolweni. So abazali abaningi, they have to spend thousands and thousands ekutheni abantwana bafunde. Why? Iy'kolo zethu, they are being overtaken by ama-foreigners. But we can't blame ama-foreigners kakhulu. Ugovernment enimfakile. Ugovernment esimfakile okhethwe yithi. Guys, if you vote for ANC, wazi ukuthi it's either we are benefit noma uyislima. Then Government of National Unity doesn't serve us. South Africa idinga government, i-president ezofana no-Donald Trump. Mina ngizoniphatha ngoba niyabhayiza. Ngiyanibona lapha nilonibhizi ngama-rally we-ANC. Guys, ANC iyasizonda. Baphila kamnandi, bale phezulu. Abantwana babo bafunda ey'koleni ezithopha, abanye abantwana babo bafunda phesheya. But imithetho yabo le phezulu i-affecta thina la phansi direct. It's affected direct. Abantwana abanama-placements. Abazali bavuka ekuseni, bamile, balambile. They've been waiting. There are no placements. Ama-foreigner athathe ama-placements wabantwana, but bona bathi abazange bawathathe. Kuyimanje ngibone some school that is overtaken by Nigerians. Abantwana bethu bayi-minority baze bafundiswa ama-dances wama-Nigeria nama-language wama-Nigeria here in South Africa. But guess what? Akuna government. Guys, uma ANC ingabuyela kwi-power ngiyishiya le country. Uma ANC singayiyekela iphinde isigibele phezu kwamakhanda, angisazi. Guys, votelani i-party ezosibeka first isicabangele isithande ne-well-being yethu. Votelani i-party ezobeka ama-South Africans first. Action SA, March and March, Operation Tutula, those are the parties that we should be thinking about much. Because i-country hambile guys, i-country hambile. Ama-Nigeria la, they are opening ama-political parties wabo la. Usuke uye Nigeria wena. Bese udemand ukuthi ufuna your own land, your own space, udemand, who are you? But ke ANC, it's fine. Esematheni guys.
Sure, I'm not happy. So, but frustration in Gauteng is thousands of parents are still waiting for school placement. Bafethu, kunenye into engasiphathi kahle nento ekhulunywayo nje ngalesikhathi. Kuthiwa ku-Gauteng over 3000 yabantwana abakayitholi placement esigela. Sibe sikhuluma kanje Wednesday tomorrow nabantwana kumele bavule baye esikolweni. Okay, into eyenzakalayo i-Operation Tutula ne. I-Operation Tutula yiyo manje yenza show ukuthi wonke ama-program asesikoleni a-prioritize aqala abantwana ba-South Africa before ama-illegal foreigners. Indaba beyikhulunywa njalo leyo ukuthi kumele prioritize kuqala abantu base-South Africa before ama-foreigners, especially illegal. But ngenye into engiphatha kabi ngenxa ye-constitution ithi ngikufakele ithini i-act yakho uzwa. The second act le ethi school cannot deny admission. Public school may not refuse to admit a learner because they are undocumented or cannot produce a birth certificate, passport or permit. Denying access on basic is considered unconstitutional and unfair discrimination. Uyayizwa-ke lento le? So, into engixakayo ukuthi how come bona bathole izinto zokuqala ne ama-illegal foreigners bathole i-placement kube yibo abantu oqala bathole i-placement kodwa banawo ama-document. Okay, yaza senzeni ukuthi nabantwana bethu basheshe bangene ekoleni abangaproduce ama-document, bangaproduce i-certificate, bangaproduce yonke lento ngenxa yokuthi bathini akekho umntwana ozoba refuse ukuthi athole i-education without i-document. Yabo? It's uphinde lo ugcina. Schools cannot deny admission. Public schools may not refuse to admit a learner because they are undocumented or cannot produce a birth certificate, passport or permit. So bafethu, why umuntu onayo i-birth certificate kube nzima ukuthi athole placement than umuntu onganayo? Bafethu, why government inyokho fethu thina? Why government ingasicabangeli thina as ama-South Africans? Bothi uyabheka la, over 40% yama-illegal foreigners, illegal Chileans, angali bona abanacala ne, but why kube yibo abagcwele ey'koleni? Yazi le interview bakhuluma ngokuthi i-deadline abayimithanga, overcrowded, immigration from another province from one province to another, yabo zonke lezo zinto lezo, but abayifaki le yama-illegal immigration from another country. Abayikhulumi shuthi bona yonke into nje abayifuni nokuyiphatha leyo, but sibesazi ukuthi inkinga eyiphi. Kumele senze njani as abantu aba-South Africa, thina ama-South Africans, ukuthi sithole equality education without ukuthi size silwe. Indaba ye-placement mingabe iqede kudalwa ngoDisemba or ngoNovember. Yini inkinga? Why ungacatshangela abantu bama-South Africans kuqala? Bafethu ngithi mina akungcono nabantwana bethu bangahambisa amadocument. Umuntu aye nje anguye athathe umntana wakhe aye laphaya nayombhalisa. Bangamfuni ama-document, bangamfuni nini, uzoshesha ayithole i-placement straight ngoba hey
ena yona le hena re batla ho thola aowa re ka se thole ena re ka se thole ena ke nonsense straight. Ena ke nonsense e tshwantseng e nipiwe on the butt. Fast move. Kenny Kunene went to Pretoria Primary School. Ha fitla ko a ilo investigate this thing. O kry le hore 60% ya di learner ke di foreigner mo sekolong. Ke bua ka government school, a se private school ntwe. 60% ya di learner ke di foreigner, majority ya bona ke ma Zimbabwe. On top of that, chairperson ya SGB ke le Zimbabwe. Ha fetsa o batsentse proposal ko department ya education gore shona e introduce mo sekolong. Guys, yona ke nonsense ka nnete. Ena yona ke nonsense. South African mothers and parents, let's say South African parents, ha e nna nako ya go batlela bana sekolo, ba tshwaragana le mathata. Ha ba kry space, o kry sekolo se se leng next door wena. Hote ngwana ha kry space. Ngwana gago wena o tshwere South African identity document. Ngwana gago o dula, let's say o dula Soweto. Hote ngwana ha kry sekolo, go tletse ngwana a ye sekolong ko Jimiston. Ngwana o kry-ile sekolo ko Jimiston, ebile batla go bolela gore ha ngwana a kry-ile sekolo ha ona choice, o tshwanetse no mo ise ko sekolong se department e mo beileng ko sona. Mara sekolo se tletse ka ma-foreigner. And the majority ya bona ke undocumented foreigners, batho ba ba tletseng mo dikolong. Ba ba sa benefiting country ya rona ka nix. Ha bana dipampiri, ha bana nix, ba dula mo country ya rona, bana ba bona ba tsena sekolo. Ha ba fetsa, ba tsamaya ba ilo applyela school fees exemption. Bona ba. Ebile ba proud too much, ba tla go bolela gore rona ra applyela school fees exemption ene ra kry ha rena tšhelete ya go patela di-school fees. Ke nonsense ya ko kae? And on top of that, government ya rona e allow this thing. E allow nonsense ena. Ka tshwanno, santsene ha ngwana a batla space. Ngwana o motswadi wa gagwe e leng citizenship ya South Africa, santsene nne ena grant space pele. Ka tshwanno. After that, ha ile gore go na le space se setting mo dikolong, ke hona bana ba batla consideriwang. Taba ena, it has nothing to do with xenophobia. Ke logic, ke common sense. Ke common sense is as it tabe tshwantseng e dule mo fatshe, e deliberatiwe, e discussiwe for eng? Are we not coming first, rona di citizens tsa mo South Africa? Ha re tle pele. Ha se rona re votang. Ha se rona tax e dontsiwang mo di salary tsa rona. Ha o fetsa o tlo mothateng o proud o tla ba go bolela gore nna ngwana ke o kry-ile sekolo ko this and school ebile ke ilo applyela school fees exemption. Hey, lona le tsebe gore go etsagala mo dikolong. Gore go etsagala nonsense e leng gore ha o ka kwata o le motswadi ba go bolela gore ngwana ga ga kra sekolo o tshwanetse no batlele le grade 1 ba mo latlhele I don't know how many o tshwanetse no matlele transport o matlele transport ngwana ba grade 1 a travel ka transport sekolo se se leng next door yena se sa mofeng space go tletse ile ba kry-ileng space ile ba kry-ileng space ke nonsense ntho eo ha o ka shebisisa hantle ke nonsense. I don't want to lie. Le ka bua whatever le batlang go bua but ke utter rubbish ntho e. Ke utter rubbish. Imagine o dula next door le motho o, let's say o tlhagazing. I'm giving an example. Wena ngwana gago a tsamaya ka transport because ha kra space mo local school, yena ngwana gagwe a walker a ya sekolo, o tlo fila yang? O fila yang ha o le motswadi? O fila jwang? No, ntho ke nonsense straight. E ka arguiwa mara oksalayo, it boils back to nonsense. Ha ba fetsa ba tle ba re he nako ele ka nako tseletsa unrest mo South Africa. Merile accommodate ile ko di country tsa rona. Hey, rona zanke country ka fela zanke tsamai e for instance ye Zimbabwe. What? Batho ba bana ba ile Zimbabwe, it was just a handful. And ile ha country ya rona e settle ba boa batla gae. A handful, you can count them ka minona ya gago ya matsogo. Batho bana ba ile Zimbabwe. Batho bana ba ile Nigeria bona I'm sure by 2. Only 2 or 3 or 4. And ba boa. Batho bana ba ile Zambia ba ile baya only maybe 10 or 20 ba boya. Country ka fela azanke re phutane re namele re tsamaye re di country tse ding azanke re etse ntho eo. South Africans ba ile ba lwanela freedom ya bona, ba lwana ka everything that they can fight ka yona. Azanke ba di cowards ba tsamaye ba ntse ba tlola di border ba tla mo di country tsa batho. They told themselves that we're gonna die for this freedom or retall. So batho ha santse ne ba kry freedom go di country tsa bona, ba matha ba tla mo di country tsa rona. Ba tlotlatsa dikolo, ba tlatsa dipetlele, ba tlatsa everywhere ke bona every 2 minutes ba go di maternity ward tsa dipetlele tsa rona. Ha gona go lwena o ka tsamaya ba ilo pepa in peace. A gona go ka tsamaya ba ilo dula go sepetlele wa shapua ke moya o tsamaya ba ilo pepa. Ke bona ba tletse ke phantsi phezulu. ntho e tlo fela leng mara re kgathetse man re kgathetse ha ke bue xenophobia a ke na nako le that word e ba reng xenophobia because it's being overused and misused. I don't even want to talk about that nonsense. Ke bua ka nnete ke buang yona it's straightforward and is the truth. Bana ba rona ha bana di space ko dikolong, nothing. Bana ba rona ha bana we can't go re ko di maternity ward gantle o kre mpeto o relaxe. Ke bona every 2 minutes ba tsama ba ilo pepa, every 2 minutes ba tsama ba ilo pepa. Di-clinic go tletse bona o ka re ke la mathomo ba bona ntho go teng clinic ke eng tsona dilo tseo mara guys, this thing must come to an end. Re kgathetse man. Yes.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. South Africans are angry ngemva kokuthi beve ukuthi bantwana abaningi la South Africa ikakhulu kathi lapha eGauteng abasitholanga space etikolweni ngenxa yokuthi esikolweni kugcwele uma foreigners. Ithi government yala South Africa kude umuntu othatha space emntwana la South Africa esikolweni uthi kude nje iforeigner lekumele ingakhona ukuthi ifunze la South Africa ngenxa yokuthi kuthiwa uthatha space emntwana la South Africa uthi abafunzi abangena esikoleni abatendele guys South Africa. It's just a mess and people are really angry. Nayi South Africa uyithathwa bantu boqhamuka. Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.